Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, home again, and I've got some happy mail. I've kind of forgotten if I've ordered anything, what it might be. No joys of shopping, I guess. So I'm going to dive right in and see what this is. Oh, now I remember. I had some birthday money which was sent to me by Crafts. She sent me an Amazon voucher, and so I had a look on Amazon and ordered a few bits and pieces, and one of the things was this. It's by Clover, and it's a yarn cutter. It's a pendant type, so you can put it on a key ring or on a pendant, and you can just slip your yarn in and it just cuts it for you. So no more hunting for scissors if I haven't got any. I can just I'll take it out the packaging, then you can see it without all that glare. I saw one some time ago on a channel, somebody had one. I thought then it looked kind of cute. Now this one has got cute little pictures on, but you see there's the cutting bit in there, nice and shielded, and you just put your yarn through and it snips it off. But that side's got some yarn and some needles. I think this is flowers, isn't it? And hearts that look like flowers. I think I need more light, so I got that. That was one thing, and got some scissors. Don't think it'll work on a box. And I got a box as well, and I've got a feeling then I now know what this is, but getting in there slowly, just looking at the top of my head while you wait. This is where you notice all my grey, of which of course there's not much, of course, no. Right, lots of packaging. I like the small ones of these to pop, but that's a bit on the big side. I ordered a new microphone. I had £30 to play with, and this one I either mislay it or sometimes I think it might be packing up on me. So I've ordered a new one. That way as well I can keep this one at Gary's, and if I ever forget to bring it, then that doesn't matter. And I'm sorry about the rustling, but this is really crunchy paper, cellophane type bag. And I ordered, with my birthday money, the handle fell on the floor, but this is a knitting bag. And I don't think this is the one I ordered actually, because the one I ordered was not Demero, a Timo, but this is a Hillington. This is a picture of it. It's got compartments and clear plastic parts to put stuff in that you can see, and inside there are sections so that you can put your yarn in and your project, and then when you do up you can threadle your yarn through here and use it without it rolling all over the floor. And it's got a zippy bit. Maybe I did order this one then, I must have, because I think I probably liked all the compartments. And it's got a zippy bit at the front, again, where you can put like a project or book in there, and you've got places for some hooks. So I just thought it looked kind of cute. And I know at the back as well, I thought I could keep my notebook in there, because I always have a notebook handy. And this bit, where am I? At the front there, you've got, I think you can keep knitting needles in that part, but don't really knit very often, so I won't be doing that. But it's kind of cute, isn't it? So that's what I ordered with my money. I got 3 items. So I think I did very well for my money there. So thank you Crisscross Crafts for my Amazon voucher, and I just thought I'd show you all the bits that I spent the money with on, should I say. I was tempted to look for some yarn. They had some boho, I want to call it spirit, is it boho spirit? Quite fancied giving that a try, but as you know, I've ordered rather a lot of light yarn lately and been buying a bit of a spree. So I thought I'd best do some stash busting before I get any more. So that's what I'm going to do. And I wanted a project bag because I don't know if you've seen it, but when I do my tutorials at Gary's, I use a washing basket. And it's not glamorous, but it stops the ball from rolling all over the floor when I'm... With that one, if I've got different colours, I can just get them ready and poke them through the various holes. And I haven't got... I'll probably still use the washing basket for tutorials, but I just thought that was a good idea. Keep my project that I'm working on and the yarn in there and all the stuff that I need, and an attempt to get myself in some kind of well, organised. And it's got a long strap which fell on the floor when I first opened the bag. I could have sworn that I ordered the Timo, but looking at it, I think the Timo was a round one, and I think this one had just a little bit of an edge on it. So, but I'm going to give it a go, and I'll let you know how it works out. But I think it's pretty nice. Got lots of compartments. I might even put some knitting needles in that little compartment there, which is 4 needles, and it might encourage me, you never know, to pick them up. Sorry Madonna if you're watching, but you know, I like to keep my hand in by doing a project now and then, just so that I can kind of keep up with it. The last time I knitted was a scarf I made for Sophia, but it was half knitted and, well, it was 3/4 knitted and about 1/4 crocheted, so it was a combined project anyway. But yeah, so thank you to Crisscross Crafts for my lovely prezzies. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm going to have to try and get over the pub or go visit Gary and try and get this uploaded because I've got no internet here. But so if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell. There's lots of videos that I've got scheduled. I filmed them today and they're all scheduled to come up, just in case I had any problems getting anything uploaded with my going to the pub or Gary's or whatever. So there should be a few things coming up that you might like. So thanks for watching, and bye for now, everyone. Mwah. Thank you, Crisscross.